The Lego Movie World is the newest land at Legoland, California in Carlsbad. Recreating the city of Bricksburg from the Lego Movie and the Lego Movie 2, the land features shops, character meet and greets, some new rides, and plenty of the everything is awesome spirit from two of Lego's biggest media properties. Start with the awesome shop there to the left, and we see one of the Duplo invaders that play a prominent part in the main attraction in the land that we'll get to in a moment. Coming up here around the corner, as we head down the main street of Bricksburg, USA, we see Emmett's Super Suite. That's where we'll meet Emmett Brickowski in the character meet and greet at the Lego Movie World. See some billboards for various IP in the Bricksburg Lego Movie franchise. The restaurant at this installation here in California is, sing it with me everybody, Everything is Ramen. Wasn't open today, so I didn't get a chance to try it, but that replaces the Taco Every Day that we saw at the Lego Movie World in Legoland, Florida, which was the original that opened a couple years ago. But the one thing that has carried over is the big flying theater attraction. However, here it's called Emmett's Flying Adventure, Masters of Flight. But on the inside, it's basically the same thing. Emmett has built a triple-decker couch to take us on some Lego adventures. Back in the land right next door is Unikitty's Disco Drop. Again, this is another carryover from the Florida installation, except this time we've got two towers. Only one operating today on the media preview, but this will help double the capacity and hopefully keep the wait times down, especially when parks can get back up to full attraction in California. But again, the real fun thing here is seeing Unikitty's reactions to going up and down on this ride. Sometimes gets a little queasy. But let's hop aboard for some great views of the land. Okay, coming back on the ground now. Keep going around the corner to the third ride in the Lego Movie World. This one actually comes to us from the Lego Movie 2, Queen Rajevra's Carousel. And across the street from the carousel, we've got Benny's Playship, named for the astronaut character in the movies. This is a fun little kind of vertical playground here, open up for kids to enjoy. There's a little water play area here, a little splash pad for kids to run through to cool off. And across the way, wrapping things up, we've got Build Whatever you want to build, a little Lego build area, and then some rocket fuel little snack stands. So as they say, everything is awesome here at the Lego Movie World.